Aztec CBD's pre-filled 510 cartridges, containing 1 ml of our full-spectrum CBD distillate and universal 510 batteries compatible. Simply order a cartridge now or get started with this kit. Containing 55% CBD full spectrum, the perfect addition to your existing pen and the perfect place to start. 2 by 1000 mg CBD cartridges. Requires 510 batteries. C02 extracted. Incredibly potent, incredibly pure. Aztec CBD's CO2 extracted, full-spectrum distillate contains 55% CBD, and is 100% free of any additives. Flavors. Ice mint. Cool, clean and crisp. Ice mint was created for those who like to keep things fresh. A hit from this flavor will make you think you swallowed an iceberg. The terpene used in this makes this flavor one of the best in its category in the market. Gelato. CBD gelato has a sweet and creamy flavor with citric touch. Mango Kush. It is mouthful of mangoes, with the tropical undertones of pineapple and banana. OG. Kush. OG. Kush is one of the world's most distinguished, renowned and sought-out strains, a legendary strain. The signature scent and flavor of OG. Kush is an earthy pine and sour lemon scent with woody undertones. Also has a deep pine smell which captivates the nostrils. Super Lemon Haze. The award-winning strain with parentage of Super Sliver Haze and Lemon Skunk. Zesty, citrusy and a little sweet with its strong and sweet lemon qualities in both the smell and taste. This strain certainly lives up to its reputation and name. Blueberry Kush. Blueberry Kush is a very admired strain and flavor. A classic indica and blueberry terpene blend. The sweet aroma and flavor of fresh blueberries invites you in and provides you with long-lasting relaxation and comfort. Pineapple Express. This strain packs a punch to your palate with bright citrus notes infused with pineapple and earthy pine, thanks to the terpenes of caryophyllene, limonene, and pinene. Gorilla Glue. Experience the flavorsome notes of Gorilla Glue in this Aztec CBD 1000 mg vape kit. White Widow. Discover a new world of relaxation with smooth, soothing hit of CBD, perfectly blended with a flavor inspired by the White Widow strain. Skittles. This sweet, tropical confection flavored is a delectable flavor based on the strain by the same name. Key ingredients. Naturally occurring CBD 550 mg approximately, CBG 2%, and CBC 0.5%. All products contain less than 0.2% THC. Contents. 2x CBD loaded cartridge 55%. Buy more at cbdflowersdirect.co.uk.